Hey plenty friends, welcome back to another new video, or hi if you're new. My name is David and today I'm going to be unboxing some grow lights for you guys. This company was super generous and sweet to send some really fun grow lights for free. I gotta I gotta say this now. They were sent to me for free to unbox for you, and I'm going to be reviewing them. So I'm going to be unboxing them. I'm going to let you guys know if they actually work down the line. So whenever I do houseplant tours or propagation updates or just any other video that I post, I'll keep you guys updated as well. And if you guys want me to do another dedicated video on this one, on I think it's like multiple grow lights that they send, I'll have their products linked down below in the description box below as well. And yeah, so let's just go open the box. But before we do, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little plant haul. So I just went to Lowe's to film a plant shopping video, and the selection was really bad. Didn't really have a lot of good plants, and I didn't want to upload a bad plant shopping video. But I did got some fun pots. These really cool terracotta pots for $2.48, I believe. I was trying to look for their saucers. They didn't have any, and yeah, so I might go to Walmart down the line and get some saucers. But these are great, so I'm starting to buy more planters. It's going to be a very dedicated video on me potting up a lot of plants that I have, because some plants need to get repotted. Others, it's springtime, so I can repot them, and I want to change their potting mix or get them some fresh potting mix, or I just want them to look pretty. I'm going to be doing like I said, a dedicated potting up video with lots of plants that I have. I'm going to be using a lot of products from Amazon and pots from Walmart or Lowe's. Basically, I want to use terracotta pots for plants that like to dry out a little bit faster. So like money trees, aloe veras, or succulents, or not pothos, but there's some of the plants, sansevierias, that like to dry out and don't like to have their soil super moist for a long period of time. And then I'm going to be buying some glazed pots or plastic pots, using those for plants that like to retain moisture in their potting mix. For example, calatheas, philodendrons, pothos, ficus. There's so many out there that just I can't get on top of my head. Marantas. So yeah, it's going to be a really fun video. But right now I got, I'm showing you guys what I got, because I think it's pretty cool to show what I got at Lowe's. So I got 3 of these, and then I also got 2 plants. I got this girly, and when I saw it I was like, this is so pretty. It is called a variegated oyster plant. It says Rhodio's Petiaceous tricolor. Not so sure what it's called, but that's the name, and I got it for $4.98 at Lowe's Outdoors, like outside. So this is what they usually use for landscape. Sorry if you hear background noise, my cat is like literally playing around, but it's just so pretty, and I just almost look the same as the Nanook Tradescantii. That's really cool. And then I also got an asparagus fern, because I'm going to be filming a hara, and I don't know what's going on, but I got this beautiful asparagus fern, and I have already 3 of them. I'm going to be doing a dedicated video on how I care for my asparagus ferns and some tips and tricks. But y'all, like, I just love them so much. I have so many of them already. Well, not so many of them. I have had them for a long period of time, and I'm just obsessed with them because they look so much like ferns, but they're not ferns, which is super cool, and they're more forgiving compared to ferns. I got this for $16.98. It is in a 1.5 gallon plastic pot, and it just says Frangerii fern pram asparagus densiflorus whatever you want to say it, but such a beautiful plant, and I just love asparagus ferns. So I'm super excited to get this girly. Last but not least, I did got some fertilizer, and it is Miracle-Gro. I am though trying to do more research out there, but this is the one that I always see in my big box stores, and it's really easy for you guys to find them as well. So if it works out for me, and I let you guys know that it does, it is easily accessible for y'all, and that's like my main thing that I want to do here. But it is a orchid plant food mist, and basically I heard so many good things about this for Hoya. So I've heard that if you want your Hoyas to bloom a little bit more, you spray this on them and they help them bloom. So that is super exciting. I have an orchid. I also have some Hoyas. I will be reading the directions. My Hoya compacta, it's blooming, so I'm super excited for that, and I believe I do have a video dedicated. I'm looking at my list on my board. I'm trying to stay as organized as I can. I have a dedicated video coming up very soon that I'm planning on filming on. This is a very long intro. I'm sorry. That's because like unboxings are so like quick, and I want to add a little bit more context in this video, a little bit more content. But I do have a dedicated video on some plants that are doing super good, and also I want to do another video on plants that are stressing me out and that I regret buying, because y'all really seem to like this kind of video. So let me open it up, and I'm doing like this because I don't want my address to show. But I'm super excited. They told me they're gonna send like multiple grow lights. I'm not sure. They probably just sent one. Like I said, I'm not sure. This is not a paid sponsorship, y'all. Those like scare me a little bit. Like those take contracts, and I'm a little bit scared of contracts right now. But this was just sent to me for free, and I keep saying it because you have to. If you don't, you get in trouble. So yeah, just want to let you guys know I did got it for free. Okay, here it is. I'm super excited. Okay, it has a lot of bubble wrap. Woo! Ooh, okay, so they sent two. Okay, I'm just double checking it is this company because I've been talking to multiple companies recently, and at this point I stopped because I'm just too scared. I'm doing collaborations and like unboxings now because I ended up educating myself a little bit more. Double checking there is no address in here. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I have this one and another company that I'm working with, and then that's it. I'm not gonna do it anymore because I need to get educated a little bit more on contracts and stuff like that. But oh my god, stop. Wait, what? Okay, so they just told me they're gonna send me some grow lights, and these look so much, okay, a little bit like the ones that I have. Y'all, if you watch my videos, you know damn well that these grow lights, I am like so obsessed with them. I believe in them so much. My plants grow so good, and yes, there's a lot of other grow lights out there that do work as well, but these are the ones that of all the other grow lights that I've had, these work super good. They're really affordable now. I always have these links in the description box below, but I might have these as well, and they look very similar to those, except this has 4. Oh, and it has like a little like, oh my god, that is so cute. I'm guessing this comes with the grow lights. I'll like double check, but little shovels. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, this is to plug in this. This is amazing. So I will have this on a dedicated plant. Mama, please stop. She's like going crazy right now. She's having resumes. Honestly, I'm gonna let her out. I really do hope the lighting is not bad. I'm sorry that I'm filming it super late. It's because tomorrow is my first day at work and I gotta go at 8. So I'm gonna edit this video tonight and have it scheduled by tomorrow because I'm gonna be way too busy tomorrow, and I don't know if I'm gonna be too tired or I don't know what's gonna go on. But yeah, so cute little spatulas, so shovels, mini shovels, and like a mini this thingy. These are so cute. Now what is this for? Honestly, I just use my hands. I like to get my hands dirty, but this, like, oh, this is super cute. Sorry, it's like the small things for me. Yeah, oh my god, I'm super excited to try this out. If I see a lot of growth in my plants, I got another company that I'm going to be working with because, like, oh my god. Okay, let me go and open this. Y'all cannot even see. I'm so sorry. I'm like so unprofessional. Like, this is just like not for me. Taking off the plastic. So it has this clip that we're going to be placing and something which is great. And here are the settings. This is a power. Oh, you can dim it. And then it has a timer. That is super cool. And here are the lights that look very similar to the ones that I have. So this is pretty crazy. I'm gonna so try these out. I don't know what plants. I'm going to be experimenting with some plants with this. So keep an eye out on an updated video because this really has me interested or intrigued. It has a little plastic thing on the power block. I'm gonna try to remove it. Okay. Yeah, and then you plug it in the back, right? Boom. Okay. We're gonna plug it in. All of my outlets are used up with my grow lights. So I'll show you on a bit how these look. And then we're gonna go unbox this other one. This one looks very similar to the one that I have in my big Monstera Deliciosa and my money tree, which are growing insane. So this is really interesting for me to try out. Let me go and open it. Here. Okay. I want you guys to see it first. What do y'all see? Let me know. Okie dokie. Has a menu, which I honestly never read. Okay, so that one that I have, it does super good with my plant, but it doesn't have a control or nothing. Like, it literally doesn't even have a power switch at all. This one does. I just noticed it has a remote. It has a remote to use. Grow light series using my. I'm not gonna show what it's in because I'm gonna get demonetized. So usually they use this for plants. So that's a little menu. I'm not gonna read it. It has a lot of stuffy stuff. The things to hang it on. Batteries, I'm guessing for the controller. Remote, whatever you want to call it. That. And then the things to hang the grow light on the ceiling. Here is the, I am so excited. Like, I don't think you guys understand how excited I am. Here is a power, the cord. And here looks very similar. Is it this company? Hold on, I need to figure it out which company this is. But super cool, you guys. Look at that, this is crazy. So much fun. So much fun. It's pretty heavy too. not that heavy. I can like lift it, but it's nice. Honestly, it's almost the same size as the other one, so I'm super excited to try this out, and I want to see how my plants react. By the way, all of these lights are LEDs, and that's great to, you know, save your power. We don't want a high light bill. But yeah, I'm gonna go and plug these girlies in, and I'm gonna go show you guys the brightness. I'm gonna set them up later on, and then I will give you guys an update down the line and see how they are. I might just do a community post, to be honest. But yeah, ooh, this is the brand's name. Says We Grow. Super cute. So yeah, you guys, I know this was not even a long video, to be honest. It's just 13 minutes. I'm already gonna go to the outro, but I will be showing you guys the clips on those lights after when I finish saying the outro. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys had an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. But let me go and show you how these look. But let me get an outlet because this room is already filled up. Alrighty, so obviously this is not even how it's supposed to be because I need to go and set it up. But like I said, the plant room is crazy right now, and I need to make some space to set up those grow lights. But just to give you guys a perspective, this is how this one looks, and here is the switch. Love that. And here is the other one, which to be honest is not as bright as the ones that I have in the plant room. Also ignore that my mom bought over some enchiladas. But yeah, so pretty good, I guess you can say. I'm dimming it down, and this is all maxed out. So we're gonna go and see how these work out. Like I said, I'll give you guys an update on the community post or in one of these like random videos that I post on my channel on how these are performing with the plants. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.